right. Now shall I go on to 6.2? You have to solve the answers with me right now. Once you will solve 6.2, we are leaving temperature questions. First, we will finish time. If we are able to finish time today, and I will give you 6.3 also for practice, then only I will move on to temperature, because temperature formulas are different from time. So shall I start? Everyone will be doing the questions right now. I can ask anyone to explain any question, okay? Because I want to understand that what is your understanding about the topic, okay? So let's start.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Zaira, go ahead.
Ma'am, I didn't do exercise 6.2.
That's okay, Zaira. That's fine. I didn't give exercise 6.2 as homework. We are doing it now, bacha. We are doing it now.
Okay.
This was not homework. This is classwork. Now, everyone ready with notebook and pencil and everything? Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. David reaches his office at 9:20 a.m. and leaves his office at 5:35 p.m. So you have to find out for how long does he attend his office. So you have to find out difference between 9:20 a.m. and 5:35 p.m. So how will you do it?
And we will minus.
Who said we will minus?
It's Alarika.
Alarika, how can you subtract PM from AM? How will you do it? Don't go by that approach. You don't know. I haven't taught you how to write time in 24-hour clock. In 24-hour format.
I think that we will minus only for this question.
We can do it like this.
Ma'am, can you increase the font size?
Sure, fine. Okay, let me explain how I will do this question without any calculations. I mean, without any minus plus thing. How to, I think I'll have to shift this here. Where do I get the screen to increase the font size? I got it. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
I will just shift this thing here so that I can move. Okay. 9:20. Alarika, what will be the time after 1 hour?
9:20, 1 hour. Okay. 10:20.
After 1 hour?
Okay. 11:20.
11:20. Again after 1 hour?
12:20.
12:20. Then after 1 hour?
1:20.
2:20. Then 2:20. Then
3:20.
Then
4:20.
Then
5:20.
So in between 9:20 a.m. to 5:20 p.m. there are 8 hours. Then
Yes, ma'am.
12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In between 5:20 and 5:35, how many minutes are there?
15 minutes.
Question solved, Alarika.
15 minutes.
8 hours. 8 hours, 15 minutes. Question done. Okay, we have to look for ways so that we can quickly do the question. We do not have time to do such long calculations. The part that you are talking about, Alarika, first you will have to change 5:35 p.m. to 24-hour format. You will have to change 9:20 a.m. to 24-hour format. Then if you will subtract, you will get this answer. And I have taught you.
I don't know anything.
That is a very lengthy process. So don't go by that. Go by the simple thing. Okay. Second question says, at a factory, the lunch break for workers starts at 12:45 p.m. and is over at 1:25 p.m. So from 12:45 to 1:25, I just have to check the minutes. Can't I count? It is very simple. From 12:45 to 1 o'clock.
And 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
40 minutes is right.
40 minutes.
Correct.
Ma'am.
Simple way.
Ma'am, 15 minutes plus 25 minutes is equal to 40 minutes.
Correct, Alarika. Okay. Next question says, Anu's coaching classes start at 3:50 p.m. and ends at 5:35 p.m. So for how long is she attending the coaching class?
Okay.
Ma'am,
I know the answer and I know the way of doing it. 5 minutes.
Mukund, tell me.
1 hour. 350 to 450 equals 1 hour, and then 450 to 550 is another 1 hour. It will take 2 hours. Then 5 more minutes. 2 hours, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Ma'am, 2
Hello,
hours, 15
hello,
minutes.
hello. It is not 5:55. It is 5:35. Where are you going? हाँ मुकुंद, 2 hours की coaching बना दी. इतनी
1 hour 45 minutes.
You are asking Anu
45
to
minutes.
sit
Okay.
in the class extra. Anu will come and fight with you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 350 to 450.
And there are 45 minutes. Is for 10 minutes. Then again 35 minutes.
1
hour 45 minutes is the right answer.
Ma'am,
Ask anybody to sit extra for
That
coaching.
answer is there. Yeah, I only got that answer when I did it.
Ma'am, I want to say one thing.
What, Alarika?
Ma'am, I'm trying to say this that ma'am, money to मेरे class 1, sorry, clock मेरे class 1 से था. So my mother had given me problem sums like this only. I'm practicing.
Alarika, clock starts from class 1 for everyone. Time we teach students from class 1 because these are basic concepts. Na? So all basic things we start.
Yes, ma'am, I am very good in this.
Okay. Now nobody will interrupt. I am going to ask. I want each and every one of you to answer at least one question or maybe two questions for that matter. But please wait for your turn. Don't jump in another person's turn. Okay, don't jump in. A tap was opened into an empty tank at 11:45 a.m. The tank was full in 1 hour and 35 minutes. So Zaira, at what time was the tank full? I opened the tap at 11:45 and it took 1 hour 35 minutes for the tank to be full. So at what time tank was full? Zaira, what will be the time when you add 1 hour to 11:45?
I'm 12:45.
I have two Zairas in the class, Sanvi. Oh my God. Okay, chalo now Sanvi, you only answer. And what will be the in 12:45? If I will add 35 4 minutes, what will be the time?
1:20.
Is it 8?
No, 1:10. And 1:10.
No?
Can I turn?
No, Sanvi, you're getting confused. Tell me again. If I add 1 hour to 11:45 a.m., what is the time?
12:40. Ma'am, oh yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, 1:20. 12:45 p.m.
12:45 p.m. And in 12:45 p.m. No. Zaira, I'm talking to either Zaira or Sanvi. In 12:45 p.m., when I add 35 more minutes, what is the time? In 12:45 p.m., if you add 35 more minutes, what is the time? First,
Ma'am, 1:20. 1:20.
1:20. Pranavi, wait. Sanvi and Zaira are getting confused. Bache, why are we getting confused? Wait. I'm opening up the whiteboard. What is the confusion? See, 11:45 after 1 hour, you get 12:45, correct? And when I add 35 minutes to it, I can do it in two ways. Either I can first add half an hour because 35 minutes mean 30 plus 5, correct?
Yeah.
When I add 30 minutes to it, the time becomes what? 1:15? And when I add 5 more minutes to it, the time becomes 1:20, correct? So where is the confusion? Don't get confused. Break it up and add. But the answer should be right. Okay, I'm leaving the choice up to you, whether you are adding it straight away, whether you break and add. But the answer should be correct. Is it clear, Sanvi and Zaira?
Yes, ma'am. Even I got confused in this.
Now is it clear, Mukund? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, but I didn't understand.
Okay. Zaira, when you add, what will be the time if right now it is 11:45 a.m.? What is the time after 1 hour?
11:40.
Right now it is 11:45. After 1 hour, what is the time? 12:45. Okay. Again, another half an hour add to it. What will be the time? Right now it is 12:45. So what will be the time after half an hour now? After 30 minutes?
Ma'am,
1:15?
yes, ma'am.
Add 5 more minutes to it. Because it is 35, not 30.
Yes, I got it.
Will you get 1:20?
1:20. 1:20 p.m.
Here, Zaira, 1:20 p.m. Okay. There should be no confusions left over. Okay. Now, a train started from Delhi at 5:30 p.m. and reached Allahabad at 4:05 a.m. That means in the evening, the train started, and in the early morning, the train is reaching. So,
Ma'am, can I tell?
who is it? Is it Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishan. Tell me this question, how to do.
Ma'am, 12 hours 5 minutes.
How? Are you calculating? How are you calculating? Are you calculating till, okay, children, from 5:30 p.m. let me start. After 1 hour, it will be 6:30, then 7:30. I'm adding one hour. Okay, 6:30,
Yes, ma'am.
7:30.
Answer is 12 hours 5. Ma'am,
Check, bache, how are you? Can you explain how are you calculating?
ma'am.
Who is saying ma'am? Is it Ishan only? Is it somebody else? Who is saying ma'am?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, Aradhya, please tell me how to do this.
9:35.
You are saying 9 hours and 35 minutes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Right now the time is 5:30 p.m. After 1 hour it will be 6:30. Again after 1 hour 7:30. Then 8:30. Then 9:30. Then 10:30. 11:30. 12:30. It is crossing midnight now. Okay, midnight crossed. 1:30. 2:30. 3:30.
Ma'am.
My God, answer is wrong somewhere, Aradhya. Anybody else who would like to give it a try?
I'm Daria.
Yes, Dharya, tell me, how do I do this question?
Ma'am, the question. Ma'am, which question?
Question number 5.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we first start with the 5:30 p.m.
Okay.
So ma'am, this is what I'm getting 11. The answer is 10:35, ma'am. 10:35.
Ma'am, for me it's 11:25.
Ma'am,
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Ma'am, it's 11:25.
ma'am, I was just adding 7:35. Ma'am, I know the answer and I know how I did it.
Ma'am, it's 11:25.
Ma'am, I know the answer how I did it.
1 second, cross check your answers. Right now it is 5:30.
Ma'am, I know the answer. 11:20.
Dharya, I'm not talking about the answer. I'm talking about the way you are doing it. From 5.
Ma'am, I'll tell the way also. Ma'am, I can tell the way. I also will tell. Ma'am, can I tell my way?
Mukund, tell me, how did you do the question?
5:30 to 6:30 is 1 hour. 6:30 to 7:30 is 2 hours. 7:30 to 8:30 is 3 hours. 8:30 to 9:30 is 9 hours.
4 hours.
9:30 to 10:30 is 5 hours. 10:30 to 11:30 is 6 hours.
11:30 to 12:30, 7 hours. 12:30 to 1:30 is 8 hours. 1:30 to 2:30 is 9 hours. 2:30 to 3:30 is 10 hours. Then we just add 35 more minutes.
Finish. Till here I also did, and after that I stopped.
That's what I was thinking.
So we got 10 hours and 35 minutes.
Right. So 5:30.
I also got that.
(5:30 to 6:30) 1 hour, then 2 hour, then let me explain. I'm doing it on the whiteboard so that where is the error you people can figure out. 8:30, then 9:30, then 10:30, then 11:30, and then after 11:30 p.m. I'm crossing, don't do that Pranavi, I'm crossing the midnight. It becomes 0030. This is the midnight time I'm talking about. 30 minutes past midnight. Then it is 1:30. Then it is 2:30. Then it is 3:30. Till here I can count the hours.
Ma'am, 10 hours.
From 3:30 to 4:05 there are 35 minutes. Now check where did you people do the error. This is the most simplest way of solving time questions. We are not changing any format, 12 hour, 24. We are not changing any formatting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the time gap is 10 hours and 35 minutes. I hope there should be no confusion in the question. Yes, Aradhya, what is it?
Ma'am, but they are saying like, means I don't understand this question.
You have to find out the time gap between 5:30 p.m. and 4:05 p.m. ठीक है आराध्या? 1 hour के बाद क्या time हुआ? 6:30 p.m. Then again after 1 hour it is 7:30 p.m. Then again after 1 hour it is 8:30 p.m. Again after 1 hour it is 9:30 p.m. Like this you can count on fingers also. Again after 1 hour it is 10:30 p.m. Again after 1 hour it is 11:30 p.m. Now after 1 hour it is 12:30 a.m. because here now the new day started. Then after 1 hour it is 1:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour it is 2:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour it is 3:30 a.m. Now I can't go to 4:30 because I have to calculate only till 4:05 p.m. So I'm checking the minutes which lie between 3:30 and 4:05. So these are 35 minutes. Are you getting it now? How we are getting 10 hours and 35 minutes?
Yes.
Yes, Pranavi, what is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, if there is a big number, how we do like 36?
What 36?
Ma'am, it is a small number, so we can count in our fingers. But if there is a big number, like our fingers will be not enough.
Acha, how many hours are there in a day? 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you talking about if the calculation goes from one day to another day?
Ma'am, I'm telling that we have 10 fingers. Below 10 and 10, we can calculate. But how, if there is more than 10?
Then you can do it the way ma'am is doing. Till 10 you can count on fingers, then quickly you can write in the rough notebook to count the remaining number of hours. Okay, when you give an Olympiad Olympiad exam, make sure you keep a rough notebook handy with you. It is important so that you can jot down. Okay, Pranavi, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Till 10 you can count on fingers, I got it. But what beyond 10? So keep a rough notebook ready with you. Okay. Right. So let's move on to the next question. Pranavi,
I will do.
very good sense of humor.
Ma'am, I will do.
You will do that, Chalo.
Ma'am, we can also do. We have 20.
Ma'am.
20.
No, but still fine. Keep a notebook with you. Na maths ka test and no notebook will not work. Okay. Okay, Daksh, next question says, Kunal goes to bed at 9:20 p.m. and gets up next morning after 9 hours. First, tell me, what will be the time after 9 hours? If right now it is 9:20 p.m., what is the time after 9 hours? Straight away, add up the...
20. 6.
Okay,
20.
10:20, 11:20, 12:20, 1:20, 2:20, 3:20, 4:20,
20.
5:20, 6:20.
20.
Excellent.
20.
And in 6:20, Daksh, add 15 minutes. So what will be the time?
6 o'clock, 35 minutes.
6:35. Is it AM or PM?
35 a.m.
AM. Correct. Simple.
Yes.
Simple. Just simply straight
9 hours.
add 9 hours and then add 15 minutes.
Ma'am, it is 6:35.
It is 6 o'clock and 35 minutes. So the time is 6:35 AM. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Okay, next question. There is a break also, I think. Up to gaye. Okay. Nitin's school starts at 9:15 AM and gets over at 2:40 PM. There is a lunch break. Arey baap, arey baap. From 11:45 AM to 12:10 PM, there is a lunch break also. So you have to calculate, exclude the lunch break and calculate the total duration of Nitin's study periods. Now there,
And what's
Ma'am, 10, 15.
question number 7. We are on question number 7.
Ma'am, 10, 15, 11, 15, 12, 15.
Okay. Okay. So Areba is trying to calculate the time duration between 9:15 and 2:40. 9:15 AM and 2:40 PM. Am I right, Rebanta? Rebanta, are you doing
Yes, ma'am.
okay? 10:15, 11:15,
Yes, ma'am.
then 12:15, then
11, 15, 12, 15, 1, 15, or 2, 15. And so we have to add with 15, means 40 minutes.
in between 2:15 PM and 2:40 PM, how many minutes are there?
Mom, can I speak?
Yes, yes,
Then
Zara.
we have to minus.
Mom, is the answer 4?
Okay.
4 p.m.
How are you calculating answer? See, this question will be done in 2 steps. First, you have to find out what is the duration between 9:15 AM and 2:40 PM. You have to calculate the total duration. Then calculate the time which is given for break. 11:45 AM to 12:10 PM. How many minutes break is there? You have to subtract the lunch break time from the total time he is spending in the school.
Ma'am, the answer of the duration of study is the 9:15 to 20.
I said we have calculated Narebanta 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15. Tell me how many minutes are there between 2:15 and 2:40 PM? There are 35 minutes. Okay.
So we get 3 hours and 35 minutes.
5 hours and 35 minutes is the total time including lunch break. Now lunch break is for how many minutes? From 11:45 AM to 12:10 PM. How many minutes are there?
And 25 minutes.
25 minutes. Now total duration in the school is for 5 hours and 35 minutes. Subtract 25 minutes from 35 minutes. So how many minutes are left? 10 minutes. And 5 hours are as it is. So that means
And the answer will be 5 hours and 10 minutes.
correct. Are you getting how to calculate the answer? First, calculate the time duration between 9:15 a.m. and 2:40 p.m. Calculate that the way we are doing so far. The same way. Zaira, did you get the same answer? 5 hours and 35 minutes in between 9:15 a.m. and 2:40 p.m. Udipan, Abdul, Boy Bobby, are you people doing this work with me?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, master.
Okay. Now, once you get 5 hours and 35 minutes of duration between 9:15 a.m. and 2:40 p.m., then calculate the time of the lunch break. Lunch break is for 25 minutes. So when you subtract 25 minutes out of that time, you will get 5 hours and 10 minutes as the final answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's look at, I'm leaving 8 and 9. Let's go to this question, 10th. And I would like Abdul to tell me, dance practice is from 3:20 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. So how long is the what is the dance practice duration? Abdul, this question please. Abdul, Bacha, 3:20 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. What is the time duration? Boy Booby, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer 55 minutes.
Oh, Sanvi, don't give all the answers. No, let me check.
Ma'am,
Children,
you got 55 minutes.
55 minutes. Correct.
Ma'am, I got 35.
I also got the same answer.
One second. 1 second. Who got 35? Who got 30?
We need to subtract.
Oh, wait. Ranavi, wait. Who got 35?
Not me, Zaira.
Zaira, see. From 3:20, if you go for 1 hour time, what will be the time after 1 hour? Right now it is 3:20. What will be the time after 1 hour, Zaira?
After 1 hour, 4.
4:20? Yes, Zaira. If right now the time is 3:20, after 1 hour the time will be 4:20, correct? Okay, but here it is not 4:20. It is 5 minutes less. It is 4:15 in place of 4:20. It is 4:15, right?
Yes.
So 1 hour is for 60 minutes. If my time is 5 minutes less, so it becomes 55 minutes. Are you getting me, Zaira? 3:20, if right now the time is 3:20, after 1 hour it will be 4:20. That means after 60 minutes the time will be 4:20 p.m. But in the sheet, in the question given to me, in place of 4:20, the question is 4:15 p.m. So that means it is not 60 minutes, rather it is only 55 minutes. We always go about rounding off the time. That makes the calculation easy. Is it clear, Zaira? Can you tell me the next one in between 4:45 p.m. and 6?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Pranavi and Sanvi are giving lot many answers. Even Mukund has given, Sanvi has given. Let me check with Ishan has given. You can write it in the chat box. The chat box is open.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhairya.
1 hour 30 minutes.
देखो, फिर बोल the answer.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Everyone is speaking. What is the chat box for? Chat box is sitting idle, not doing anything.
Ma'am, when I open the chat box, it shows that Preeti is not in the meeting.
Sanvi, you're taking me out of the meeting.
Oh, now it's fine.
It is not
No,
30.
it's not fine. 1 hour 30 minutes.
Ma'am, the answer is 1 hour 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes, Zaira, correct. 1 hour 30 minutes. So Zaira is also on the same. Yes, Sanvi. Yes, Mukund. Yes, right.